I'm just gonna start a new vlog, like kind of the behind the scenes of getting ready for the trip, like the day before. Because we leave tomorrow, and there's just still so much to be done around the apartment and everything before I go. I'm kind of a mess. This is my backpack, and I'm trying to figure out if I'm gonna, put all my stuff to go in there, or where it's exactly gonna go, but oh my gosh, I'm a little all over the place. But that's nothing new. It's currently 1:24, and it is literally, like, look at this. This is like the sun, this is how it's been all week. Like, I've had to turn on my light, and like, this is the brightest it's been this entire week. Like, it's been horribly gloomy. Outside has been cloudy and rainy. Like, Monday was perfect because it was like 70, 80 degrees. And then today and like the rest of this week has been like rainy and cold, and it's like 64 right now, but oh my gosh. But I'm getting out of the cold weather, and I'm gonna go to California and St. George now. So I need to finish packing. I just finished packing my beach ball. If you know, you know.
Flashback. End of flashback.
It was a huge beach ball, but I finished packing that, and then I need to finish charging. Like, you can see I've got this camera over here charging. I'm gonna test it out. I have like 3 different cameras. Tell me you want to vlog on your vacation without telling me you want to vlog. I have this one I'm using right here, this like little doopy GoPro that needs to charge, and then I just have like a few more things I need to charge. Oh my gosh. How many times can I say the word charge? Too many. But I really need to finish packing and getting this all done. But I think first things first, we need to pack like a to-go bag and like everything like that. So I think this bag will be good enough. Like, what do you guys think? Okay, I might just set you guys here, and then I can finish doing some packing and stuff. I kind of felt like I might go do some dryland training while I'm on vacation because I need it, and because I need to get into that. I have some goals for swimming, to go to nationals for college this next year, which, big goals, I know. And so I figured I was going to do some working out while we're on the trip. So I figured I would finally have time to grab my workout shorts. These are so nice. I love them. I'm going to have to get some headphones. Maybe I'll bring mine that I use for work every day and charge them tonight. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I found this amazing sports bra on Temu. Guys, this shirt's from Temu too. Like, a lot of my stuff I'll be wearing for this trip is from Temu. Like, it's honestly so amazing. I'm so excited. And so I'm so excited to bring that. And then, who am I? Of course I'm bringing a neon shirt and something bright and fun. Because, like, it's gloomy out here. And then it's very sunny and warm where we're going. So I'm packing one of these. Oh my gosh. I know. My nail tech texted me. Guys, I'm so sad. Like I said, we leave tomorrow. And then my nail just broke like an hour ago. And I don't know what happened, but it just decided to break on me. And I'm just so mad. Yeah, I think I'm going to put these in my, like, misc thing. And then I have some, like, fitness bands, too. You can do flutter kicks with these. I'm excited to try these. I, like, slept on these for so long. Like, in high school, everyone and their mother was using those. And everyone swore by it. So it was like, okay, I'm going to try it. So, thank goodness. Yeah. So, I'm going to try those out and I'll let you know what I think. I have, like, a friendship bracelet I want to, like, make. And I could use that as, like, a jump rope. But, is it going to be, one, long enough? Two, is it going to be strong enough to hold me? And three, you know, so I need to hurry and make one of those. But I also need to, like, I'm almost done packing. I just need to charge my toothbrush. This is my makeup right here in this, like, pink bag. I'm going to use that tomorrow before we go. And I cannot forget it. So I need to do that. Also, on top of that, our room is, like, not the cleanest right now. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to clean our room. I'm going to clean the bathroom. And then what else am I going to do today? I have a wedding tonight, and I have to leave at, like, 5:40-ish. Because it's, like, a 20-30 minute drive from here. And so I have to make sure that I have enough gas for that. Like, I'm sure I do. But, you know, safety first. Safety first. So I need to do some cleaning before I go. So I come back to a clean apartment. And then I just got, like, so much done this week. Like, I'm moving in a few months. I don't know if I mentioned that in my life update, which I'm hoping by the time this video goes up, my life update will be up. But on a real note, I'm moving in a couple months. And I'll have a private room, so you bet you're going to have more videos coming from me. But I need to go do some cleaning. Anyways, I'm going to do that while I'm on video. This vlog is just going to be all over the place, and you guys are not going to want to miss out on it. So, yeah. And I still need to figure out what time the twins are going to come pick me up tomorrow. Actually, should we call them? Yeah. I highly doubt Kenzie's doing anything. We should call her. Yeah. Let's call Kenzie. And just be like, yo, what's the plan for tomorrow? I'm gonna get you guys on the vlog. Okay, it's dialing.
Ew.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
I'm so glad that you know I can make those references at any time and you don't judge.
What's up?
I was just trying to figure out what the plan was for tomorrow.
So, I gotta drop the boys off at, the animal hospital for them to board there at 9.
Okay.
And we can leave right after, or we can come a couple hours later.
Okay.
Whatever.
It's a little bit later. I was just gonna call Kenzie and then figure out what our plan is for tomorrow, but that didn't really happen. We just kind of caught up, talked about our week, and then yeah, that's about it. But it's like, oh, it's 10:46. I didn't finish cleaning my room because I have to leave already in about 3 hours for the wedding tonight, and I mean, I'm getting close to being fully packed. I need to charge this. I need to charge my toothbrush. I need to finish charging my cameras. Oh my gosh. My brain's running a million miles an hour, which it's fine. But anyhow, my boss, so I work 2 jobs, and you guys saw this in my life update. My morning job is a childcare specialist, and then my evening job, I'm a custodian. As you guys know, you've seen that. I've been in the mornings there, I've been in the evenings, I've kind of switched back and forth. And now I'm on evenings, and I don't work Fridays. I don't know if I said that in my life update. You guys can go check. But anyways, my boss just texted me, and they're getting pizza tonight because he's been gone for the last couple days for like a conference or whatever. And he's like, you should come in and get some pizza. And I'm like, it's my day off. He's like, so? Still stop by. And I was like, alright. If there's still pizza left over by the time I get home from this wedding, then you best bet I'm going to go get some pizza. But I probably shouldn't eat too much, just because I am going to get up tomorrow, and we're going to be sitting in the car for a few hours. But regardless, I'm going to see if I can get some still. But I need to finish cleaning. I'm just trying to pack up some things to do for the car ride tomorrow, because we've got a 4-hour car ride tomorrow to St. George, which isn't terrible, but, you know, I want something to do. And I don't want to just be sitting and bored the whole drive. And you guys know I'll be vlogging on here too, but yeah. I'm going to do some cleaning and finish this project up. And then I need to, like, you know, get some odds and ends and tasks done, or else it's never going to happen. Okay, it is 4:40. I just finished deep cleaning my bathroom. And now I changed into like a comfier shirt because I don't want to like risk getting my cute shirt dirty, especially because I have to leave in 1 hour and I still have to get this all cleaned up, this bag packed, my room vacuumed, and maybe clean these mirrors. They don't look too bad, but if you get really close, yeah, you can totally see. Yeah, they're really bad up close, but first I need to finish putting this all together, like putting this away, finish packing that, and then finish this project. And then after I do that, then I'm going to vacuum really quick, clean the mirrors, and then it might be time to go. So I'd have to change before I go. So I got to do that. Alright, so I might as well just do like a, when I'm packing in my to-go bag, like my car bag, for lack of a better word, like it would just be like your carry-on if you were going on a plane. But since I'm going by car, I think I should show you guys what I'm all bringing on the road. So I have one of my cameras. I'm bringing this one that I'm filming on right now, and then as a backup, just in case, I feel like I'm going to use this one for paranormal, and so we can kind of switch it up. But I'm going to switch off between the 3 cameras that I have. You guys can tell me which one's the best. So I'm switching off with my cameras. I'm bringing a portable charger, which is just currently charging right now. A charging cord. Sorry, I don't know what just happened there. Must have swallowed wrong. And then I might grab a couple snacks, and then a friendship bracelet to do. And that's pretty much it. Like, I'm not really packing a whole lot for the car. I know, I'm boring. But we're just going to be vlogging and talking a lot. And I'm going to need to do my friendship bracelets because I haven't had a whole lot of time with those. And then, yeah, that's about it. But I figured I should probably get on that soon. Packing what's going to be in my bag. Because if I don't, I'm going to run out of daylight. And then I have to do that tomorrow. And I don't know if I want to do that tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm going to finish packing that. And I'll give you guys like a more of a rundown once we get there. But, yeah, I'm almost done. And I still need to clean up this whole shenanigans. I know. It's terrible. I need to do that. And then I still need to clean the mirrors. And then get on my way. Like, it's only been 9 minutes since I, like, last talked to you guys. And, oh my gosh. I gotta get a ton of stuff done. So, Let's do it.